In 20, AI isn't replacing you, but the person using AI might. If you're not integrating these tools into your career strategy, you could be falling behind without even realizing it. Let's dive into why AI is a career multiplier. First, let's look at global hiring trends. Employers are increasingly seeking AI-literate professionals across every industry. This isn't just a tech thing, it's a fundamental shift. AI acts as a skill amplifier. It helps you do more, faster, and better. Imagine walking into an interview with the knowledge that you can leverage AI tools to enhance your work. That's the AI advantage. It can be the difference between landing a promotion or being overlooked. Take, for instance, a marketing manager in Singapore who doubled their efficiency using AI content tools. That's not just a win for them. It's a clear signal to employers about the value of AI proficiency. Now, let's talk about AI tools for skill development. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can personalize your learning experience, generate ideas, and conduct quick research. Perplexity AI is fantastic for fact-checked, citation-rich research, while Elicit helps with academic research and paper summarization. Language learning AIs like Speak and Duolingo AI can accelerate your language skills. Picture this: learning new coding skills in half the time. That's not just efficient, it's a game changer. Moving on to job search and networking, tools like Teal and Resume AI can optimize your CV or resume smartly. LinkedIn's AI-assisted post creation allows you to establish thought leadership at scale. Crystal Knows provides personality insights that can enhance your networking efforts. And let's not forget JobScan, which helps you beat those pesky ATS filters. I know an engineer in Germany who tailored their resume using AI for each application and landed a role in just 3 weeks. That's the power of being strategic with AI when it comes to productivity and side income. Notion AI can help you organize workflows and content plans seamlessly. Creative tools like Runway, Pika Labs, and Canva Magic Studio can elevate your marketing projects. Descript allows you to edit videos and podcasts without needing technical skills. Think about side hustles, selling AI-enhanced designs, writing, or even tutoring. The possibilities are endless. Finally, how do you future-proof your career with AI? Embrace the human plus AI mindset. Continuous learning is key. Pick up new AI tools as they launch. Combine soft skills with AI knowledge, and you'll create an unbeatable combo. But remember, ethical use is crucial. Avoid the pitfalls of AI plagiarism. Integrity matters. Start by picking one AI tool from today's list and integrate it into your workflow this week. The earlier you start, the bigger your career advantage will be in 2025 and beyond. Your future self will thank you.